Welcome back to Digital Dropshipping Mastery. Now that you've chosen a winning niche, I'm going to show you how to do profitable product research for your own digital dropshipping brand. So let's go ahead, hop on my computer and get started. So what we're going to be doing throughout this video is identifying the products that we want to sell and know are most needed by our market. So these products that we're about to go through in this process must solve a specific problem within our niche that we chose in the last video, and we need to be able to completely sell this product digitally and fulfill it instantly. So when a customer purchases, they have to be able to receive it instantly. And just as a side note, I'm going to be using the meditation niche from the last video as my example. And now what I want you to do in step 1 is go ahead and list out 5 of your own biased ideas, okay? So these are going to be product ideas relating to the specific niche that you chose in the prior video. And again, they must solve a specific problem and they must be able to be delivered instantly and digitally. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you my examples right here so you can get an idea of kind of where my head's at. And so keeping meditation in mind, what I ended up putting here as my first 5 examples that came to mind were things like a beginner's breathwork PDF guide, a beginner's breathwork video course, how to be more productive with breathwork as a PDF, how I multiplied my income with meditation as a webinar, a 1 to 2 hour presentation, and then teaching a beginner how to meditate webinar. So these were just 5 quick thoughts that popped into my head that related to my niche of meditation that came to my head as product ideas, completely biased. So I want you to do this now for your own niche and think of products that can solve a problem. Now, don't get stuck on it. This process should be as smooth as butter just because you can let the creativity flow, because as we continue through these steps in this video, it's going to become much more clear to you, the vision and what we're actually looking for. So start off right now simple and list out your ideas. So now after you have your list of digital product